Hello friends, I am Dr. Omi Jiindal and I am the Chief Hair Transplant Surgeon at Darling Downs Hair Transplant Clinic. Today I am going to address one of the very important issues which quite often people are looking for is why or should they go to overseas to get a hair transplant done or why they shouldn't. Look, hair transplant is a very meticulous surgery and it needs heaps of labor amounting to sometimes 40 hours of man job, as well as significant cost of equipments, instruments, making and upholding the standards of the medical practice and facility to ensure a smooth transition, to ensure a smooth and a safe procedure for you. That's why we do understand sometimes that the cost can be very high in Australia versus some other overseas countries. However, I would emphasize three key reasons why you should not get hair transplant done overseas. First of all, this is a medical procedure overall. So the quality and standard of care of the procedure is of utmost importance. You never know where you would land up to, what middleman will take you to. Is that clinic accredited or not? Who is operating you on? Is he a technician? Is he a doctor? So that's very questionable. And there's no way to know sitting in Australia that who's going to operate upon you. And once you are there, you are stuck. You have to get it done because you have spent your time, your money, your effort. Second main factor is lack of aftercare and support. Your hair transplant restoration doesn't stop at surgery itself. It actually starts after that. Constant, regular aftercares, transitioning from getting the transplant done to get a fuller hair takes a time. And being a medical procedure, there can be some issues which need immediate medical attention sometimes. If you have got it done overseas, there's no local clinic to help and support you here because they don't know what has been done and they can't undo what has been done bad for you. So that's why it is highly recommended to choose the clinic which can give you a consistent and constant aftercare, because there's not a possibility that you travel back overseas again for your aftercare if you need to. So seems unwise that you get it done overseas without a proper aftercare support. And lastly but not the least, you never know what are the standards of that facility is. Is it a barber shop? Is it a salon? Are the quality or cleanliness or the safety maintained in those clinics or not? Because we can assure you of in Australia, like in our clinic at Darling Downs Hair Transplant Clinic, we uphold the highest standards as per medical board recommendations and Royal College, so that your safety is of utmost importance and you are in a safe hands while getting this precious surgery done for which you have paid for. And we still understand why you want to go to overseas sometimes because of the cost. But we have a solution. We have created and worked very hard to create that solution, that we have maintained the cost of FUE hair transplant in Darling Downs Hair Transplant Clinic very affordable, which amount probably even lesser than the total cost of traveling, accommodation, food, and paying for your surgery overseas. So I would suggest booking a free consult. Let's have a look. Let's look at your financial options so that you get this surgery done safely and securely at your own home country with proper aftercare, proper support and guidance, so that you get good confidence, full confidence in the procedure itself. Thank you.